Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. आजको भिडियोमा I will show you how to install Kali Linux without any virtual machine on Windows 10 using only WSL command. After this video, you will be able to run Kali Linux as your subsystem on your Windows 10. Let's get into the video. So first of all, go to Windows PowerShell, run it as administrator and type WSL install. This will allow you to install everything you need to run any subsystem. त्यसपछि go to Microsoft Store, just type Kali Linux and download that Kali Linux app. As you can see, I have already downloaded Kali Linux app. So see the open option आएको. After you download this app, just type sudo apt update and just go through everything I will do here step by step. Follow garnus and then you will be able to run Kali Linux subsystem on your Windows. So यस्तो आइसकेपछि हजुरको स्क्रिनमा just type मैले जे टाइप गरेको छु and also I will pin these commands on comment section below, so don't worry. So now type this command and set your password. Don't forget the password. So we are done. You can run your Kali Linux now. And I will show you running some of the command here, some of the Linux command here to prove that it is running manera. So we are done with the video. Just follow everything I have done here in the video and you will be able to run Kali Linux as your subsystem. धेरै धन्यवाद and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.